So finally, Security Exchange Commission (SEC) has come up with a way to find out if an investment is a Ponzi scheme, fake or legal investment. Actually, this video is a continuation of my previous video, so it's not for everybody. Hi guys, you're watching Chiki series. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your support. I quite appreciate that. It's good to have you around again. And if you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on this video. Make yourself comfortable as we get right into this video. Also remember to hit that red subscribe button. That way you get our latest updates. So because of what is happening in Nigeria right now, lots of Ponzi schemes, lots of fake investment company all over the country, Security Exchange Commission, which is like the regulatory body of the capital investment in Nigeria, has come up with a way to find out if a company or an investment is fake, Ponzi scheme, or whether it's legal. So, according to Mrs. Enebeli Suzy Sulukwe of Security Exchange Commission, she advised the general public that want to invest in business, in any kind of business with any company, to do their due diligence and shine their eyes very well to investigate and see whether the market operators are genuine and proper before they make any move. So she went further to say that you need to first of all visit the Security Exchange Commission website, which is www.sec.gov.ng, and to check under the heading Illegal Capital Market Operators. There you will find the names of all the companies that operate Ponzi schemes listed there as illegal market operators. It is the responsibility of every investor to do their due diligence whether or not these schemes are registered as they claim to be. Also, people can search Security Exchange Commission website for unlawful market operators to see if the company is among those listed on Check the Frequent Asked Questions section for answers. So they went further to say that before you invest, you should take note of the following. Understand the nature of the investment, which type of business the scheme is into, check if the product or services that the company wants to sell is genuine or tangible, check whether the rate of returns is sustainable, check if it is lower or higher than CBN monetary policy rate of 14%, which means if CBN policy rate is 14%, why is it that some of these investment companies are paying higher than 14%? Some pay 15%, some 20%. So it is very outrageous and it sends signal that it might not be or it is not very genuine. Though Security Exchange Commission said that all these failed investment company never registered with them, like Mega Rice and MBX Forest. Also, to avoid any investment you don't understand, know the registration status of the investment company and promoters. Ask for evidence of incorporation with Corporate Affairs Commission and registration with Securities and Exchange Commission. Contact Security Exchange Commission by email sec@sec.gov.ng or call the commission number on 0946211168 to confirm the firm registration status. If the investment is not registered by Security Exchange Commission, it is not advisable to venture into it because it is the responsibility of every investor to do their due diligence or whether or not these schemes are registered as claimed to be. So right now, I'll take you guys to the website and show you the area where you're supposed to look out for these companies. So let's go. So moving to the Google bar, you type in sec.gov.ng. It takes you to Security and Exchange Commission Nigeria. You click on it. You have so many windows that are open about regulation, forms, enforcement information, portals, and their address, contact us. So when you click on enforcement, see that they have company facing enforcement actions. They listed some of the companies that are having issues with them. Like they wrote it, companies facing enforcement action. You have like Falcon Securities Limited and its sponsored individuals. They wrote the nature of enforcement, reason, date, remarks, suspension was lifted on June. They have also companies facing enforcement action as at March 2015. They write the company and all that stuff. You go to litigation, you also have case description, infraction, and the status, what is happening to the case right now. You have referred cases like this one, Miss Pamela, blah, 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 alleged offenses, failure to pay shareholders, SSS, awaiting update, and stuff like that. That's how they listed everything. Then you move on to information. When you get to information, that's where you see the section for frequently asked questions, FAQs, When you click on it, you have several of information that you want. And moving on to portal, it will take you to registered capital market operators companies, the ones that are still active, the ones that meet all their regulations. Then when you type in the name and you search for the investment company, it comes up, or you can look at the names of the company alphabetically till you get to, now it has a 115 till you get to the last, then you check. But the easiest way to go about it is just to type the name of the company and it takes you to whichever company you're looking for. If you find it, it will give you the details, but if it's not found, that means such company does not exist. Such company has not fulfilled their requirements, so it's not listed there. And if you want to contact them, you can click on contact and send a message to them, or maybe phone call. Their email address is sec@sec.gov.ng. Then the number is also there. And another way to go about searching of the approved companies is also to exit from the windows. Right under, you see capital market operator search. From there, you can also search as well. Key in the name of the company that you are looking for. If it pops up, that means the company registers with them and the company is valid. But if it doesn't pop up, that means there is something wrong somewhere. You can also check the list under enforcement, the companies that are having issues with them. Then you'll be able to find out the companies that have problem, to avoid you not to make an investment that will not yield you anything, not to waste your money, not to invest in Ponzi scheme. At the end of the day, you start worrying or you start lamenting about your money and start complaining. So with this, I've come to the end of this video. Let me know what you think. If there's any question, leave it in the comment section. If it is for me, but if it's not for me, you send it straight to the organization. All their details are listed on their contact. People should learn how to write to organization themselves, not relying on people. There are first information you get from the organization before you can use any agent of your choice to check whatever you want to check. But in the first insight, you do some digging yourself through Google, check for some information yourself on their website, then go to Corporate Affairs Commission also to check for the company. Then if there are other specific things you want, you can go straight to their office and find a way to do some digging yourself or send that message to them yourself so that you'll be able to get first-hand information. Not when you send somebody, person might come and give you false feedback, might not tell you the real exact situation of things. When you do the first round of research and investigation, then if you don't have time to continue, you might rely on people to get facts or other things out for you. I've found out that most people find it very difficult to do simple research. Just to check for information is very difficult for some people, but believe you me, if you don't do research very well and you invest wrongly, you spend the rest of time money your money. So instead of you to waste your time, it's better for you to do the simple research. Go to Google, ask the right people, make sure you get your facts correctly, because there are people out there who are looking for naive people who don't have any knowledge of the investment they want to engage in, and they take advantage of that. So be wise. And let me know what you guys think about this. Do you find it very easy to use? Has it helped you in any way? So guys, I'm gonna sign off here. Stay healthy and safe. Remember to share this video with family and friends if you love it, and subscribe to the channel if you've not done already. I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. Bye and remain blessed.